Here are some celebs you can check out during your next YouTube binge session. 1. Josh Peck. Josh made you laugh on The Amanda Show and Drake and Josh. 2. Zac Efron. Zac stole your heart back in '06 when High School Musical was released and has since appeared in movies. 3. Snooki. Snooki is one of the OG cast members of Jersey Shore. 4. Will Smith. Will Smith is literally one of the biggest movie stars of all time. 5. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. He Rock is a wrestler turned actor who stars in the Fast and the Furious franchise. 6. Noah Schnapp. Noah plays Will Byers on Stranger Things. 7. Angela Kinsey. Angela played Angela on The Office for 9 seasons. Angela and her husband Josh upload really cute baking videos. 8. Madelaine Petsch. Madelaine plays the incomparable Cheryl Blossom on Riverdale. 9. Shay Mitchell. Shay starred as Emily Fields on Pretty Little Liars and recently appeared in the series You. 10. Christy Carlson Romano. Christy starred as Ren Stevens on Even Stevens and voiced Kim Possible. 11. Tia Mowry. Tia starred in Sister, and the Disney Channel original movie series Twitches. 12. Shawn Johnson East. Shawn competed in the 2008 Summer Olympics in Beijing and won 1 gold medal and 3 silver medals. 13. Karlie Kloss. Karlie is a model, entrepreneur, and one of the new hosts of Project Runway. 14. Jack Black. Jack Black has starred in movies like School of Rock and Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle. Jack's a gamer and a vlogger. 15. And finally, Gordon Ramsay. Gordon Ramsay is a big-time chef and can also be seen on shows like Hell's Kitchen and MasterChef.